Happiness is not a destination, it is not a fixed point that we reach and then forever possess. Rather, it is a beautiful dance that we engage in, a dance under the rain of gratitude for all the blessings that life offers us. Imagine yourself twirling and swaying gracefully under a refreshing shower of gratitude, where each droplet represents a moment of joy, a simple pleasure, or a heartfelt connection. In this dance, happiness is not reserved for grand achievements or material possessions but is found in the small, seemingly ordinary moments that fill our days. With each step in the dance, we learn to appreciate the beauty of a warm cup of tea on a chilly morning, the laughter shared with loved ones, the feeling of the sun's gentle warmth on our skin, or the serenity of a quiet moment of reflection. This dance is not always easy. Life has its challenges and storms that can momentarily dampen our spirits. But even during the heaviest downpour, we can find solace and joy in the knowledge that every challenge carries a hidden lesson or opportunity for growth. As we continue our dance, we become more aware of the abundance surrounding us, a tapestry of experiences, emotions, and relationships that enrich our lives. We become attuned to the blessings that often go unnoticed when we are solely focused on reaching a perceived destination of happiness. Teachable moment. The teachable lesson here is that happiness is not a distant goal to be achieved, but a way of living and experiencing each moment with a heart brimming with gratitude. By learning to dance under the rain of gratitude, we cultivate a mindful and appreciative approach to life.